Hey there, fellow contractors. Let's be real. Juggling finances in our industry can feel like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. Invoicing, payments, expenses, it all adds up to a serious headache. That's where accounting software comes in, right? But with so many options out there, choosing the right one that seamlessly integrates with ServiceTitan can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why bother with integrations? Can't I just do everything manually? Trust me, I've been there. But let me tell you, integrating your accounting software with ServiceTitan can be a game changer for your efficiency and accuracy. Imagine this: effortless data transfer. No more double entry. Your invoices, payments, and expenses automatically sync between ServiceTitan and your accounting software. Reduced errors. Fewer manual entries mean fewer chances for human error, saving you time and money. Improved cash flow. Get a real-time view of your financial health with accurate and up-to-date data. Better decision-making. Make informed decisions about your business with access to comprehensive financial reports. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? So, let's dive into the exciting world of ServiceTitan accounting software integrations and explore some of the top contenders, key integrations, and deep dives. Xero, a popular choice. Xero is a popular cloud-based accounting software known for its user-friendly interface and robust features. The ServiceTitan Xero integration allows for seamless two-way sync of invoices, payments, expenses, and customer information. This means you can easily track income and expenses, reconcile bank accounts, and generate financial reports with minimal effort. Xero also offers features like inventory tracking and payroll processing, which can be valuable for many contracting businesses. QuickBooks Online, a contractor favorite. QuickBooks Online is another industry-leading accounting software, particularly popular among contractors. The ServiceTitan QuickBooks Online integration offers similar benefits to the Xero integration, with robust features like automated invoice and payment syncing. QuickBooks Online also provides powerful reporting tools, allowing you to gain valuable insights into your business performance. Whether you need to track job profitability, analyze cash flow trends, or prepare for tax season, QuickBooks Online has the tools to help. Intuit QuickBooks Desktop, a classic for some. For those who prefer a desktop-based solution, Intuit QuickBooks Desktop offers a strong integration with ServiceTitan. While cloud-based options are gaining popularity, QuickBooks Desktop remains a reliable choice for many businesses. The integration allows for smooth data transfer between the two platforms, helping you streamline your accounting processes and improve efficiency. Sage Intacct for growing businesses. If you're running a larger or more complex contracting business, Sage Intacct might be worth considering. Known for its scalability and advanced features, Sage Intacct offers a robust integration with ServiceTitan. This integration allows for seamless data flow between the two platforms, providing you with a complete and accurate view of your financial performance. Sage Intacct also offers advanced features like project accounting and budgeting, which can be particularly valuable for larger contracting firms. Beyond the big names, exploring other options. While the integrations mentioned above are among the most popular, it's important to remember that ServiceTitan offers a growing ecosystem of integrations. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, you might find other accounting software solutions that seamlessly integrate with ServiceTitan. I encourage you to explore the ServiceTitan app marketplace to discover a wider range of compatible accounting software options. Take the time to research different solutions, compare features, and choose the one that best fits your business needs and budget. Tips for choosing the right integration. Consider your business size and complexity. The best accounting software for a small, single-person operation might not be the best fit for a larger company with multiple crews and complex projects. Evaluate your specific needs. Do you need robust inventory tracking, advanced reporting features, payroll processing? Look for user-friendliness. Choose software that is easy to learn and navigate, both for you and your team. Explore free trials or demos. Most accounting software providers offer free trials or demos, allowing you to test the software and see if it meets your needs. Read reviews and testimonials. See what other contractors have to say about their experiences with different accounting software solutions. The importance of data accuracy and security. When choosing an accounting software and integration, data accuracy and security should be top priorities. Ensure that your chosen software and integration partner have robust security measures in place to protect your sensitive financial data. Regularly review your data to ensure accuracy and identify any potential discrepancies. Stay informed about the latest security updates and patches for both ServiceTitan and your accounting software. Integrating your accounting software with ServiceTitan can significantly streamline your financial operations, improve efficiency, and help you make more informed business decisions. Take the time to research your options, explore different integrations, and choose the solution that best fits your unique needs. With the right accounting software and integration in place, you can spend less time on paperwork and more time focusing on what you do best, running a successful contracting business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.